Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super important and fascinating topic, agriculture and types of farming. Whether you're in a city or the countryside, agriculture plays a huge role in our lives. That's right, agriculture is how we get most of our food, the stuff that keeps us going. From the wheat in your cereal to the cotton in your clothes, it all starts with agriculture. So, let's explore it together in a way that's fun and easy to understand. First up, let's talk about subsistence farming. Imagine this. You and your family live in a rural area, maybe on a hillside or in a lush valley. You've got a small plot of land, and on that land, you grow everything you need to survive. That's subsistence farming in a nutshell. It's all about self-sufficiency, growing enough to feed your family with a little left over to trade with your neighbors. Now, subsistence farmers are incredibly resourceful. They often use traditional farming methods that have been passed down through generations. We're talking hand tools, natural fertilizers, and a deep understanding of the local climate and soil. It's really quite amazing. They might grow crops like rice, corn, beans, or raise a few chickens for their eggs and maybe a goat for milk. Subsistence farming is common in many parts of the world, especially in developing countries. It's a way of life that's deeply connected to the land and the seasons. It's about family, community, and making the most of what you have. Hold on to your hats because now we're zooming into the world of commercial farming. This is where things get big. We're talking large-scale operations, sometimes thousands of acres, all dedicated to growing crops or raising livestock for sale. Think of it like this. If subsistence farming is like baking a loaf of bread for your family, then commercial farming is like running a giant bakery that supplies bread to the entire city. These farms use tractors, combines, and other high-tech machinery to plant, harvest, and process their crops quickly and efficiently. Commercial farms are all about producing huge quantities of food or other agricultural products to meet the demands of a growing population. They might specialize in a particular crop like wheat, soybeans, cotton, or even things like almonds or oranges. And let's not forget about livestock. Commercial farms raise cows for milk and beef, chickens for eggs and meat, and pigs. Well, you get the idea. Alright, now let's talk about a type of farming that combines elements of both subsistence and commercial farming, mixed farming. It's like having your cake and eating it too. With mixed farming, farmers grow crops and raise livestock on the same land. Picture this. You have a field of corn. That corn can be harvested and sold as a crop, or it can be used to feed your cows. The cows produce milk, which can be sold, and their manure can be used as fertilizer for the cornfield. See how it all connects? It's a beautiful cycle. Mixed farming is a great way for farmers to diversify their income and reduce waste. It's also beneficial for the environment because it promotes biodiversity and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Plus, it's just plain cool to have cows and cornfields living in harmony. Get ready to explore the world of plantation farming. This type of farming is all about growing a single high-demand crop on a large scale, usually in tropical or subtropical regions. Think bananas, coffee, tea, sugarcane, cocoa beans, all those delicious things we love. Plantation farms are often located in countries with warm climates and plenty of rainfall, which are ideal conditions for growing these types of crops. Because they focus on just one main crop, plantation farms can become experts in growing and harvesting that specific plant. Now, plantation farming has played a significant role in history, and it's important to learn about both the positive and negative aspects. While it has contributed to economic growth in some regions, it has also been linked to social and environmental challenges in the past. Today, many plantations are working towards more sustainable and ethical practices. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about a way of farming that's close to my heart, organic farming. This is all about working with nature, not against it. Organic farmers avoid using synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, opting instead for natural alternatives. Think of it like this. Organic farming is like giving the soil a big warm hug. Instead of using harsh chemicals, organic farmers build healthy soil by using compost, manure, and cover crops. This helps the soil retain water, prevent erosion, and provide essential nutrients to plants. Organic farming is not only good for the environment, but it's also good for us. Organic foods are free from harmful chemical residues, and many people believe they taste better too. Plus, by supporting organic farmers, we're supporting a system that promotes biodiversity, animal welfare, and the long-term health of our planet. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video about agriculture and types of farming. We hope you learned something new and fun. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And hey, the next time you eat an apple or see a farmer, remember just how important agriculture is. See you next time.